Let's see. Okay, so if I remember correctly, we did do ziglings, and then I did some other zig, right? Zig these structures. Yep, I did these ones. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Zeros. Look at that. Love it. I love it too. We both love it. All right, so we got this guy, and we tried to build a stack effectively, and the stack actually went pretty good. We built the stack. It's just a basic stack. It goes in here, it pops, it destroys. If there is a head, we destroy the head, and then we return out the value, or else we return out null. So we have a nulled one of those guys, and we can print out the stack, looking pretty good. So it's just push and pop. That's all there is to it, right? There's nothing else to this stack, right? And destroy my head will do. And then we can create an in stack. We can create whatever stack we want to right here. So I think this is pretty good. I'm happy about that. You know what I mean? I'm happy about this, right? Ooh, we could use a length. A length could be a good property. Let's do that now. I like that idea. Length, which is going to be is usize. Usize is just I'm the size, right? Length equals 0. Awesome. And let's go like this. Length self.length plus plus. Can I do plus plus? Oh, is this? You can't do that. There we go. We got a nice length going in. And let's do a little log, and let's put in one of these and go self.length, baby. This is looking pretty good. So now I should be able to zig run. Nope, that's AOC. We don't want to do AOC. We want to do main. There we go. Compile. Look at that. Awesome. Loved it. Zig stack 1, stack 2, stack 1. Boom. This is good. Okay, so I feel like we basically... I like this. I like this. I'm speedrunning JS to TS for your data structures course. Wish me luck. Hey, no problem. It should be pretty easy. It's an enhancement tool for Zig. Yeah, what's better? Typing fast or typing correctly? Both is the answer. It's all about the exact same stuff. It's all about, just find that optimization curve. If you miss 10% of the time, but you type 30% faster, you're doing better. You know what I mean? In Zig unweighted. In Zig unweighted. Python, child of Rust, and C, what? Boff. Yeah. I understand your problem, right? You're using destructuring of structs. The compiler will remind you when you need to update the structs and don't update the destructuring. I'm not sure what that is. Coding with speech to text. Ooh. No, this isn't Rust. What song is currently playing? This is Miss Monique's first birthday special, 2020. You know what I mean? Zigging in Arabic is shitting. Hell yeah, brother. That's how we do it. Just joined funny. I watched your Zig impressions video yesterday, and you didn't like it. Any changes? I'm trying. I'm giving it a general try. Okay, so now that we've done this, I'm gonna do something that's really, really, really important. Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this one? Stack Zig. Okay. Are you guys ready for this? Let's go in here, and let's jump in here, and let's have a stopwatch. Okay, are you ready for this one? We're going to have a stopwatch. I'm going to press start, and I'm going to just try to speed program out a stack in Zig. That very simple stack. Length, push, and pop. That is it. Are you guys ready to do this? I think that is a fair attempt. I'm not ready. Get ready, okay? We're just going to do this. This is called a kata, okay? I've already programmed it once. I'm not very good at Zig. I don't remember most things. It's time for me to re-remember it and get into it. You know what I mean? So we're going to get into it, okay? So here we go. So I'm going to press start, and we're going to start right now. So I can't remember what it is, but I'm pretty sure it is const std equals, import. Standard definition, right? There we go. All right, we got that. Then we can go like this. Const, we'll go like this. Pub function, why not pub, right? Stack equals type, or T for type, right? And do we need anything else? I don't think we need anything else here. And we return out a type. Okay, so we're gonna return a struct. This is an anonymous struct, baby. So we need a const, what is it? Const self equals this. I think that's what people tend to do. Am I right on that? Do I need to execute this as a function? I think so. Okay, good. So now that we have that, we're going to have some functions. Let's have a pub function. I do like a init, right? Because that's typically people have an init. I need an allocator, right? Which should be a standard mem allocator. Yeah. And I want to return out, yeah, I like that. A error self. And let's go in here and let's actually disable Copilot, right? I want to like go through this. You know what I mean? I want to go through this and know it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, baby. And let's have a struct node is going to be a value, which is going to be a t. And then we also need a next, which is going to be an optional pointer to node. Is that fair? I think so. That's right. You have to go const equals struct, right? There we go. So we're kind of running through this. Copilot is such a throw off. Yeah. Well, Copilot's really great if you want to learn a language, but at the exact same time, it super hampers you because you put nothing upstairs. You know what I mean? You put nothing upstairs, and when you put nothing upstairs, well, you get a problem, right? And we also need an allocator, right? And this should be a standard mem, what is it, allocator? Yeah. I think that's right. So I should be able to go return struct, or no, it's not struct. No, not struct, not two structs. I should be able to go like that. I should be able to go allocator equals allocator. What is it? What's next? Let's go like this. Allocator equals that. What's the next one? Length is usize. What's the last item? I know we had a last item. Head is going to be an oopsie daisies. I don't know what to call those things, right? Head equals I believe it's null. There's nothing there, right? And a length equals 0. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. I'm kind of learning Zig, right? So this is me learning Zig, is that I do this. This is how I tend to do it, is that I have to run through something a couple times to really kind of put it in my brain how to solve one thing. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to do. Pub function, push, self, which I can't remember. Is it a pointer to self or is it just a self? I think it's just a self, right? And then I can say value of t, right? Do you give capital letters to this? Like, should I rename this to t? Oh, nice rename. Zig LS, everybody. Zig LS, everybody. Hey, Zig LS, everybody. And so I should probably do, let's see, a push should be probably a bang void, right? Because we have to allocate. Therefore, we need to do that. And then a pub function pop should be a self, and it should be a no errors, but it could be a optional t, right? Okay, I really got to rename t. Where are you? Where the hell are you? I feel like it needs to be capital T. You know what I mean? You guys are disgusting, right? You like a keyboard, what is it called? Screen key? You guys love screen key, don't you? You know what I haven't had up in a while, because I keep restarting my computer and I'm just honestly too lazy, is I haven't had anything up, right? All right.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Why am I not calling that? Oh, I know why. Do I have PCOM? I do have PCOM. There we go. Mihail, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Why does it take me an hour to notice you're streaming? I don't know, because you're not in the Discord. Thanks for outing yourself. Hey, Shy, how you doing? Twice the time you spend in bed. Twice, minimum. All right, so there we go. So we have this thing. We have self and value, so we're going to push this on.
Welcome
if
to Costco.
Head, right? If head,
welcome
right?
To Costco.
Capture group this son of a bitch,
you.
right? We'll go like this. We'll go like this. Var head, var head equals self dot head. Let's see. Var next equals self dot allocator create node, I think is all you need, right? I think I got that right. Uptime, yeah, that's right. Hey, thank you very much for the brand new back-to-back Twitch Primes right here. We got Tom Hill and Exploded Faces. Damn. Hey, Warren Buffering, how you doing? Wait, not ready, actually. You got to be ready. Matrix is greater than Discord. Matrix,
welcome to
how
Costco.
would you like to inconveniently talk with your friends? Matrix. It's Limbo. Thank you. What are you working on? Some projects? No, we're just doing Zig. Zig data structures is all we doing. I think it's even in the title that I just say I'm doing data structures. Hey, thank you. Joy Ryder and Naru for the brand new back-to-back Twitch Primes. I appreciate that. Is this you? Big Sky Social, did you sign up and then stop posting? Oh, yeah, that's definitely me. I probably. Dude, I don't want to be on Blue Sky. Real talk, Blue Sky sucks. Okay, Blue Sky is effectively everybody that feels like they should hate Elon Musk on Twitter, but they want Twitter still, so they're on Blue Sky. Then they still post everything they say on Blue Sky to Twitter. So it's like I don't want to look. I don't want to be like scrolling through two different things. Okay, I don't want to be going through two different things just to see the same shit twice. Okay, I can't do it. Okay, I can't do it. Okay, I don't even have time. I barely have time for Twitter as it is. All I want to do is go on Twitch and say stupid things and then not deal with the fallout on Twitter. That's it. Okay? That's my only goal in life, is to never look at Twitter again. Zesty, thank you very much. 'Tis the season. Because I'm going to get shit on every single time. You're going to have to reverse image search it. I may have put it in the credits. It was very hard to find. Okay, here we go. Head equals self.head. Next equals this. We got that. So we go like this. Head.next equals next. Self.head equals next. There we go. So we pushed all that crap in, right? Wait, por qué Maria? I don't need that. I already have head right there. Sorry, my bad. So we have this. We do that. Boom, 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 boom. Is there anything else we need to do? We need to go like this. Try, right? Because if I'm not mistaken, this, yeah, it returns an error or a pointer to T. Shebang. We got that one. Do this one. I think that's right. Else, if I'm not mistaken, we just need to go like this. Go like that. Self.head equals this. And probably go next.value equals value. And 4 down, paste that in. Is that about right? I think that's right. I honestly think that's right. Self.length plus equals 1. I think that's right. I want to say I got that right. Let's find out. I don't even know. I'm just trying to program this one completely different than I did before. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Apparently I can't type. Apparently we need to go to Emacs, okay? Apparently we need to go to Emacs, people. Look at this. We're at 100%. You can't beat this. It's the unbeatable train. Thank you, Gordelio, for that brand new tier 1 from Prime. Why does NeoVim not show those dialog boxes of definitions? Help. I don't know. I can't help you. That's like an impossible thing you just said. Like, I'd have to know your system, what plugins are installed, how you're using it, what remaps you have on. Like, that's an impossible thing for me to know your problems. You know what I mean? I think there's a comp time on T argument. Ooh, good call. Comp time, right? Does it go right there? I think you're right. I think you're right, baby. If this is the case, then self.head equals head.next. Return, ooh, almost did it incorrectly. Const value equals head dot value. Then we go like this. What is it? Self dot allocator dot destroy. Head, yeah. Does this thing return a? No, it doesn't. Okay, nice. Return value. I believe I got that correct. Return null. There we go. I think I pretty much got that. I think I pretty much got that. You know what I mean? Self dot length equals or minus equals 1. What do you think? Do you think I got this? You can write a stack in multiple ways. Well, I mean, I'm not writing it at all like, I'm just kind of going for it. You know what I mean? Const in stack. I don't know what to call this thing. Stack I32. Why not? Pub function main. Let's just find out. Return bang void me daddy. Oh my goodness, I hate that there's auto formatting on save. Const alloc equals standard heap general purpose allocator. No options. Execute. Did I get that right? I think I got that right. Constant, let's see, allocator equals alloc.allocator. I think I got that right. Yes. Yes, I think I got this right. Head stack equals in stack init allocator. How'd I do? Do you think I got this right? I think I got this right. I honestly don't know what this means yet. This is the gazing butthole operator. Ooh, defer, you're right. I don't know what it means yet. Defer alloc dot is. I honestly don't know what it does. Too many braces. My teeth hurts. Yeah. Why main when it could be test? Great question. As a man who's new to Zig, I still don't really know how to write tests. Okay. Stack dot push, right? So I gotta try that. I gotta try it. Is that what? Wait, hold on. Isn't it? Oh, I have a. Why? I don't need to do that, right? All right. So let's push in a 69. Oh, you know what I had on the previous one that I don't have here? I had print. Right? I had a print function that would do void. Yeah, void me, daddy. All right, there we go. Is that right? No, you don't do a comma after that. You go function that, right? Oh my goodness, I hate auto formatting. I gotta figure out how to turn that thing off. You know what I mean? While a self dot, while var next equals actually cur equals self dot head. Wow. Print, what is it? It's standard log info. I'm pretty sure I got that right. I don't understand what this syntax does though right here. Like honestly, I don't know what that syntax does. I don't know what it does, and it confuses me. So there's things we got to learn, right? There's things I got to learn, and I don't know how to do this. And then CI that and go like this stack with one of those and go self.length, right? Right? It's all in Ziglings. I know. I get that. I said I have to learn it. I didn't say it was mysterious and unlearnable. You know what I mean? Do shit when out of scope. No, you're right. Defer just simply means do this out of scope. Do this when scope goes away. Bornal. Bruh. The dot is initialize a struct without specific. No, I get that. I get that. That's just like an empty anonymous struct, right? Or it's an empty inferred struct. Am I correct on that one? I think so. Too bad the language is not snake case all the way. Yeah, it's an anonymous inferred struct. It's not just an anonymous struct. It's an anonymous inferred struct. But here's my problem. I don't know what this means right here. That's like, is that a property? Does it create a property named length? Is this like a table in Lua where it's actually now a list? I don't know what it does. Is there such thing as like anonymous position things? Is this an array? It's a tuple? Well, tuple my... Okay, that makes sense. Okay, makes sense. Okay, actually, that's a tuple. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, okay! There should be a self.laugh method at the point in each language to show it shows, yeah? Actually. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Stack.print. Yeah. And let's push another one. 420. Let's print another one. Let's pop. Let's print another one. Let's try. Oopsies. Try. There we go. Forgot to do that one. And there we go. And then let's pop once more and print once more. And then let's pop once more and then print once more. That would be the ultimate test. Are we right? Let's see. Zig run. And let's go source. What's the thing? Okay, so we didn't do it right. Okay, so this is a classic. You gotta var yourself. You know what I mean? And then this is the classic. You gotta var yourself. I'm pretty sure of it. Okay. Cannot assign to constant. Okay, what did I do wrong? 25. What did I do wrong here? What did I call this thing? Const node, length, value, usize. Wait, what? Porque Maria? Well, what did I do? Get fucked, you have to var yourself. Allocator can be const. Pass by reference? You're a reference. It's the message signature. Okay, so... I luckily did not have it up that loud, so it saved my life. Just turned it up. Thank you, Lithium, for trying to make me pee a little bit. But guess what? Get fucked! All right, perfect timing. I dodged that one so good. I feel like a man. Damn it. Okay, I didn't see it. Okay. That one got me. Thanks, Lithium. Do I have something on my forehead? I had something on my forehead this entire time and nobody told me what it was. Nobody said anything. Paid actor. I'm a paid actor. Do you want me to message a wife again to get you a new pair of pantalones? Please do. You look pretty. What was that? I said you look shitty. Good night. Are you using DWM? Not at all. Okay, so hold on. Let me just look at this again. Okay, cannot assign constant. Okay, so they're talking about line 25. Why is this? Is it because self is a const up here? Shoot. Okay, hold on. Let's go back up here. How do I do this? Okay, so I do have this right here. All right, so I have all these things. So why is that okay? Oh, it's a pointer. Wait, why is that? Can someone explain that to me? Is this one of those dumb things? Pass by pointer. These are one of those dumb things up here that you don't think about because you know what? Skill issue, okay? This is your brain on Rust. Okay? This is what your brain looks like on Rust, okay? This is what it looks like, okay? You do every other language, and you're just like, oh, it must be easier because it's not Rust. Oh, am I right, boys? Am I right, boys? And then you end up being an idiot. You know what I mean? You just end up being a dum-dum. Thank you again. I don't know why you're still here after 17 months. Tier 3'd out of your mind. But you've been doing this for so long, AB, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I do. Skill issue. Skill issue. Skill issue. The most annoying thing to ever be said in your life. It truly is. Just the worst. So if I do that, that's actually a constant. So what happens here? Is this pass by copy or is this pass by const reference? What is this? Skill. What is it? Pass by copy. Okay, so it is just legitimately pass by copy. Pass by copy, but it's also const pointer would be const self. Okay.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Okay. This is just a good question. You're always amusing and inspiration. Thanks. Hey, no problem. I'm just trying to, understand these things. Endalarius. Thank you very much. Endalarius. That is a great name, by the way. I'd just like to let you know, Space Chicken, thank you very much, Space Chicken, for the brand new Twitch Prime, for the brand new 10 months in, Tier 1. Appreciate that. The most annoying thing my colleague used to say is, there's the nibble, when he was doing bare minimum to annoy me.
Welcome to Costco.
That is so funny.
I love you.
Hey, Chapper Fool, thank you very much. I want to go back to this guy's name. Okay? His name is Endalarius. That's a great name. It feels strong. If I had a fifth kid, I would name them Endalarius.
He is using self and not Ds/nuts. If lithium can't scare you enough, let me try. JavaScript, 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 JavaScript.
What a letdown. Just like JavaScript. Wait, ¿por qué, Maria? Look at that. That's a pointer. That's a pointer. That's a pointer. What do you mean? Wait. Oh, this is main zig. That's why. Okay, so I got to go to my stack. Okay, here we go. 4 down, FS, bam. Pap that in. Pap that in. Okay, wrong one. Pap that in. Go down here. That can be a...
Welcome to Costco.
We don't want to pass by copy. I mean, probably not. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh my goodness. I'm getting too into the music and I'm not hitting the right keys. I'm not hitting the right keys, people. Wait. What's
Welcome
going
to
into pop?
Costco. I love you.
The value type of this is ignored? Oh, yes it is. I thought I was safe!
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
What did I do wrong? Oh, fuck! Shoot! I mean, dart! Dang! Thank you, Lithium. Thank you, Lithium. Appreciate the 20 gifted subs. That is 60 for the stream. That's 80 for the stream. Thank you very much, Lithium. I love this song. All right, people, we have entered into unknown territory. Lithium is making the urine come out of me slowly but surely, but in reality feels delicious. All right, people, I love this song. Didn't you had to taunt me, didn't you? I wasn't. But look at this. Okay, so I thought, oh my good, wait. Yeah.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Well, isn't this it? Isn't this how you do it? Isn't this how you do this? Wait, whoa, right? Let's go like this. Can I go, yeah. Am I going through this thing more than once? Whoa! Why am I going through it more than once when I clearly do this thing right here? What the hell's happening? Isn't this null? Then shouldn't this not actually work? Doesn't this what a capture group do? Why am I confusing? It's the while loop, but don't tell Prime. I mean, why though? While are you being an asshole? Okay, let's go down here. What am I doing here? But see, I do the exact same with this one. No! Check my push. I'll check my push, doggy dog. All right, so look at this. Here we go. Oh, this is fine because that means there's nothing here. Okay, if there's no head, we take note, we create a node, we set the value, we set the head. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, that means node dot next to. I shouldn't have to do this. I shouldn't have to say null, right? That's a 0 value. That should already be done, right? That should already be done. There's not always a head. That is a lie. But apparently you do have to do that. What do you mean there's always a head? There should not always be a head. The head is this thing right here, which is null. Okay, so I'm confused by that. So when you allocate, it doesn't... All right. When we pop, we reduce the length, we get the next head, right? We get the value, we destroy the head, we return the value. I mean, that looks good, right? That looks right. Look at this. Go in here, yes. Go in here, yep. Oh, and then we, okay. So obviously my push sucks. Okay, so we create a node, get the value. That always works. Let's put that up here. All right, there we go. All right. This is beautiful. Okay, I see what I've done wrong. I've done so many things wrong here. Okay, next equals head. Yes. Boom. Okay, so I think that is the thing that I got to do here, right? Okay, I can't type. I think I'm just stupid. I think I was just stupid. I think I was stupid. I think I'm the stupid man. Okay. I work at Netflix, by the way. All right. How long did that take me? 25 minutes. 25 minutes. I hate my life. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta pee again. I drank too much. All right. Shut the hell up. All right. Shut up. Okay. Dick size. 12 dick units. Makes me feel big. But it's dick units. No one even knows what they mean. Should one use katas? Even if not knowing what good code looks like. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Is a tree next in line? Soon. Not yet.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Do you have to do a capture group after that? Do you have to do a capture group after that? So would it be like while cur equals next, capture current? How do you practice design patterns? I don't. It's just strategy. Everybody knows it's just strategy pattern. What are you doing? Strategy pattern. What's that over there? Strategy pattern. Oh, what's that? Factory. Okay, I can accept. What's that other thing? Strategy pattern. What's this over here? Strategy pattern. All right, people. We're going to do it again. Here we go. I'm going to do it one more time. Fill it out. So you sound like a project manager. Thank you. All right, let's feel this bad boy out. Hold on. One time before I do that. Sorry, I want to be good at writing like just basic structs and stuff. Because, one thing that always F's you up is that in a new language, you just don't take enough time to kind of know stuff about it. Factory pattern is a strategy to produce instances. Bam, strategy pattern. I like the builder pattern. Builder pattern's pretty sweet. Trait implementations. All right, here we go. You should react to this, creating the worst programming language ever. Really long YouTube link. Look at this. I don't click on a link that says PP equals anything, okay? You give me something with the word PP equals what? What? Looks fake to me, yeah. Okay, it's probably going to take me to a Microsoft sign-in link. PP link, yeah, right. Get that PP out of my mouth. All right, I like Singleton. Singleton is for psychopaths. Prime, do you live close to Mount Rushmore? Yes, I do. Is this going to be a game of let's find out where... Prime, do you happen to live on Albright Street? No, I don't. Okay, then. Do you happen to live... Have I looked at the comp time stuff? Only enough to do this right here, right? Right, there we go. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Stack2.zip. We're going to do this one more time. Let's feel it out. Let's start this. I'll leak something in Prime if chat wants. Ooh, what are you going to leak? Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do you live on a flat earth? Yes, I do. Wait! Damn it! I've been caught. Do you live in a house with a well? Oh, damn. This man's asking the real questions. Prime should add peak method. Ooh, peak method. You can peak these nuts. Damn. I cannot believe you just leaked my phone number like that, Bisco. I gotta ban Bisco. Oh my goodness. I actually have to ban Bisco. What do I do? Oh. That's a popular song in the late 90s? Am I the asshole, Karen? Get him out. Get you him feel the calm before the storm as the round begins. We don't want none of this. All right, here we go. Is it the 80s? Is it really the 80s? I thought it was late 90s. Are you sure? Anyways, here we go. So, let's see if I can do this. Okay, here we go. Let's go like this. Const standard equals import standard, right? Bam. Stood. It's the I hate auto format on save. I gotta figure out how to turn that off here soon. I'm gonna lose my effing mind. Okay, function stack is comp time t, which is a type, which we return out a type. We're gonna return a struct that has a struct const node, which has a struct. Inside of here, we have a value, which is going to be type T. We have a next, which is actually a pointer, an optional pointer to the next node. There we go. Take that out. Do that. We have a const self, which equals this. Do I need to do this? I mean, I've seen this. Do I need to do that? Or can I just put at this in the places that I need to? I think I can just do that. Okay, anyways, go like this. Length is going to be a U size. Head is going to be a optional pointer to set to node. Yeah, this is the first try. And then allocator is going to be a standard mem allocator. Let's go. We have a pub function init, which is going to take in an allocator, which is going to be a standard mem allocator, yes, and it's going to return out a self, which is going to be a return anonymous structure that's inferred by its shape of having a length equal to 0, a head equal to null, and an allocator. Allocator, later allocator in a while seg fault. Best TJ joke of all time, by the way. And the worst part is it wasn't even appreciated. You know what I mean? It wasn't even appreciated on the internet because people have no taste. Do you know that? Do you know that? People have no taste. Stop shoving allocators in my ear. I'm going to shove so many good allocators in your ear. Value T. We need a self that is a pointer to self, right? And this thing has to be a bang void because we need to allocate to do something with it. All right, so here we go. So now let's go like this. If self.head, capture group this, we're going to go in here and we're going to go like this. Var node equals self allocator create, do that. And we have to create a new node. We're going to go node.value equals value and node.next equals null, right? We got to null everything out. If this is the case, we're going like this, self.node.next equals head self.head equals node. Boom. Okay, else self.head equal. Is that about right? I think that's about right. Let's just find out. So you kind of write it different. See, notice that each time I'm writing this, I'm writing it a little bit different. And that feels good. You know what I mean? I'm still kind of, I'm still learning. This one should be a bang T, right? An optional T. No, that's not an optional T. Where the hell, wait, how have I forgot where my question mark was? There we go. You kind of figure things out, you know what I mean? Let's see, if self.head, there we go. Put in one of those. Then we're going to go like this. Let's see, self.head equals head.next. Const value equals head.value. Self.allocator.destroy. Head, return value. Boom, return null. Boom. Pub function print, which takes in a self, which is going to be a pointer to self because I didn't realize this. And I'm going to say void because we know to say you don't return anything. We can go like this. Var current equals self.head while current. Apparently, you can go like this. Current equals current.next. So I don't need a capture group. So I don't need to go. I guess I don't need a capture group. I just use current, right? Is that all I got to do? I don't need a capture group. I just do this. That is cool. I like that. I like that. Okay, I like what's happening here. So I can go like this. Standard log info 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4. Hit him with one of those and go current dot value. Bap that. Standard log info. Go stack this and go self.length. Yep, I need to add in length. 11 up here. Self.length minus equals 1. Take that and go here. R plus. Oh, that's R times. That's the worst timesing of my lifetime. And then go here, go here, go here. Actually, hold on. Bap it onto here. Let's just go like that. All right, so if I've done this all correctly, zig run stack. Okay, that's 2. Node.value. Node does not support field access. Okay, what did I do wrong here? All right. Oh my goodness, you're right. Way off on that one. All right, out of memory does. Oh, wait a second. I did a void. Okay, so yes, hold on. We got this one. We got to push. Oh, try. I forgot to put a try in front of the alloc, of course. I forgot the try in front of the Alec. And then what's our other problem? Cur found this thing. Wait. I'm confused why that's a problem. I thought we could do this. I thought I could just do this. While cur expected bool found that. So you cannot do this. I was hoping this was it. See, like I said, does that mean I need to have a capture group? Because I thought I could just do this. I think my last one I could just do this. But this one I can't, this one I can, this one I can't. What's the difference here? The info? What did I miss here? Expected type bool found this thing. Yep, that's exactly what we were looking for. Okay. Expected tuple or oh, I got that one. Okay, there we go. That one was my bad on that one. And so is this one. That's my bad on that one as well. All right, but I still can't do this one. You need a capture. Okay, you need a capture. Current. Is that what you're supposed to do? Do you have to do like another colon? Okay, so I don't get this one. Well, current is not truthy, but I can go like that, right? Right? So there's obviously, you don't have to have it that way, right? There's obviously, capture goes before the continuation expression. Interesting. So then if I go like this, cur equals cur.next. This isn't as good as I was hoping, okay? Because I need to unwrap that son of a bitch. No, current is not. I need to unwrap it. All right. Okay, so then I can go like this. Current equals current dot next. Can I use the capture in this in the follow-up? Okay. Interesting. Okay, I didn't know you could do that. There we go. There we go. Okay. So anyways, if you're wondering why I do katas, if you're wondering why I try to go through and program some things, this is one of the reasons why I do it, right? It's the fact that each time my solution, I'd argue, got nicer and nicer, right? Because the first time you write it, you're like just so confused by the language, you just do weird things. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not even sure if this is real. I mean, this is actually the most simple of them all. You can just take head and do this and do that and you're done. So for whatever reason, these last couple, I kept checking for this, which I guess I never need to do, right? Right? Like, I don't need to do that. This is kind of a stupid thing to do. I don't need to do that, right? Because I'm already of that type, right? So I can just self.head. Very cool. Now use defer when popping. Why? Why would you? So fill me in on this one. This is actually kind of this is a very interesting idea.
Welcome to Costco.
What's the purpose of using defer here? A self-head, best head. It really is, Glam. It really is. I mean, you have Skull in your name. You would know all the things about head. Bernevius, thank you very much. Right. To be fancy, it's not better. Yeah, I was about to say, you're the Dr. Disrespect of the programming section. Thank you. Record time. Oh, yeah, we're killing it. Look at this. I didn't even, 0 seconds. I completed it so fast, it was unwatchable. Okay, we're going to have to go through and, hey, note to self, maybe this would be like a great time to autofill this time for me, so I know. Okay. It's after it reaches the scope. Yeah, exactly. But what's the point of a defer, right? Because when I do a destroy, what's the point of, whoopsies. Like, what am I getting out of this? I'm literally deferring right there instead of right here. Right there. Right there. Completely unwatchable. What is unwatchable, baby? What? Is the music? You can't handle the music? You can't handle the good times? What can't you handle? Defer will run, even if the function errors. Cringe. You can just use head.value. Oh, I see. So you'd go defer this so you can go head.value. Unstop watchable. Love it. I don't like that. It's surprisingly, I like this. So one thing I don't like is I don't like non straight logic. Do you know what I mean? Like, I can follow this line by line until here, in which this I have to like, you know what I mean? And so I'm not sure how much I like that, right? Because you could theoretically, you could put this up here, right? You can put it at the tippity top, and now you have like this, the distance grows, right? You start to lose logic flow. Yeah, I'd have to know of a good reason to do this. I mean, is it bad? I mean, I guess it's not really any different than Go and closing out a file, right? Defer is totally useless there. I mean, it does make nicer looking code, right? This is very understandable code. But like, I mean, if you're using a file handle, defer's great, because you're like, hey, at the end, just make sure the file's gone. Like, you know that's how it's working here. So I don't know. Yeah, usually you put... it makes sense if you allocate memory and you want to deallocate it at the end of scoop. Exactly. Well, I'm deallocating. Defer is best set next to Alex. Easy to pair them up. Okay, interesting. Okay, I like that. I'm too new for this. That's okay. That's very cool. In Go, defer is a function scope. In Zig, it is a block scope, which is better in my opinion. I agree. It is better in your opinion and in my opinion. Both of our opinions. This language is so confusing. It's not so confusing. It just has a couple things you're unfamiliar with. Real talk. Like, most people use the term ergonomics when what they actually mean is I'm used to. You know what I mean? Now we have 3 something in common. Hell yeah. Am I crazy? Or are you returning the value of the next stack? No. I'm doing head. We're doing head. I'm setting head to next. People often confuse the term ergonomics and familiarity. Yeah, well, but this is, ergonomics does not equal familiarity. But it's easy for us to feel like something's easy to use because we're used to it. And that's the problem. I think that's one of the biggest problems in computer programming today, or in like the modern Twitter front endosphere, is that they just constantly like shoehorn everything into this in the name of DX. But for anyone who's new, it feels very unusual. And I think I'm not 100% purchasing that we're actually getting more developer experience. I think we're getting more, I'm used to this, and I have everything I understand, therefore it is better experience for me. You know what I mean? That unwraps a nullable. Yes. So, let's see, it's extremely consistent and simple. One thing I really like about Zig, so I'm just gonna go about this right away, is that I love that they made null a part of the syntax. If you make null a part of the syntax, effectively making it optional, you get rid of the null problem, right? And I think that is really good. And then second off, you provide syntax for you to be able to handle null in a sensible way, right? Like, I don't want to see things like this, right? Like the C style way, right? Where you're like, return, right? I hate that kind of stuff, right? Return. I hate that kind of stuff because it doesn't, I don't like it. I don't like that feel, whereas this feels much better. This is like, hey, whoopsies, 7-up, bam. It's like, hey, if I have a head, give me the unwrapped version. You can never use head without unwrapping it. So shut up. So I can never do something here. I have to unwrap it. And I think this is really cool. Right? I like that. I like that idea. I think that's a great iteration in the C world. You know what I mean? The safe word is malloc. I think the DX loop is the reason we have JS on the server side, and therefore DX is an evil concept. Screw your experience, get the job done right. Honestly, I love that take. I honestly love that take so dang much. It's a great take. Because one of the hard parts about life is that where should DX stop? Right? It constantly causes this this rolling problem where you have a problem and you want to solve it. Like, I think React did a great job identifying a problem and trying to solve it. And then as we used it, we realized, okay, this isn't that great. But the problem is we were in a local minima. And so they took the local minima and they used it to solve itself again. And so now we're like super in the local minima. And then they realized that was wrong. And so they kind of went outside with hooks, right? They went outside the local minima and boom, they found they found a new local minima with hooks. And then bam, that's a problem. And so they just keep on wrapping React to solve problems React has. And I think that's a problem. This is a problem with anything you build. It's a problem I do all the time. It just looks different. What's a local minima? A local minima is you have a loca minimum. It's a local minima. It's a problem-solving technique. I'm not gonna be clicking on that link. Am I right, boys? There you go. Effectively, a local minima is this concept where imagine you're in a range of mountains and you wanted to find the lowest spot within those mountains. The problem is you would find a spot that looks low, but you have no idea if on either side something else is lower. Yes, this would be a form of gradient descent. It's effectively like machine learning 101, which is that you have your input, you have your expected output, you have your output. Therefore, we know the difference between what we expected and what we got. Therefore, we're going to apply what is referred to as backpropagation, a form of gradient descent learning where we're going to try to find the actual best minima. Right? And it's going to go and learn it and effectively just changes a little bit and then tries again, then just changes a little bit. Your learning rate can totally screw you. So if you learn too quickly, you will just destroy all your nodes and you'll just fall into some local minima right away. There you go. That's the basic 101 of MLPs, multi-layered perceptrons. Backpropagation does not equal gradient descent. No, but you heal by gradient descent or you correct by gradient descent. Can we do that tomorrow? Is Rich free? Wait, who, what? Local minima is basically a valley, just not guaranteed to be the lowest. Yes, exactly. It's a spot that's lower than the two ends, but you don't know if that is low. That is the lowest. First time catching you, love the YouTube. Hey, thank you. Anyways, there you go. Just some thoughts. Okay. Apparently I'm a subscriber. You are. All right. So, people, the worst thing happened. What's your opinion on how to do generics in Zig? Oh, I haven't quite really got far into it. I'm on comp time. And there's something really interesting about it. I love this idea right here. Honestly, I truly do love this. This right here, what you're saying is that I want a stack that's built by the compiler that uses the type I32. So I'm using a singular version of this thing, right? So there only exists one version of this structure in which has an I32, right? So it's compiled at compile time.
Feelings into good feelings.
It's effectively a generic, little bit different, but I love this concept because one thing I really like about it.
Welcome to Costco.
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna say thank yous. Just hold on. The one thing I'm gonna say thank yous. Just hold on. The one thing I really like about it is that you really understand what you're using as generics, right? This makes sense. I have a singular use case.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Which is I have a stack of 32
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I love this idea. I love the idea. I love it. It's fantastic. It's unique. It's different. I think it could be really cool. Claxta, thank you very much. Where's Nix? Or when's Nix? I don't think I can do it. Clapperful, thank you for the brand new Twitch Prime. Let's go. Salimic, 10K. Porque Maria? More like it. Thank you very much. Douglas, how you doing, by the way? Thank you for all your help, by the way, Douglas. Douglas, if you don't know, follow this guy on GitHub. He does real work. He does real stuff. Mad Sea Otter. Oh, that sounds like a metal band. Thank you, Lithium, for the 20 gifted subs again. It sounds like, have you guys ever, what's the Irish punk rock band? What's the name of the Irish, something, what's the Irish pub Murphy, it's not Murphy, it's something with the word Murphy in it. Dropkick Murphys? Is it Dropkick Murphys? Did I get that? Flog and Molly and Dropkick Murphys, right? Did I get that? Dropkick Murphys? Is that Dropkick? Dropkick Murphys? Yeah. Flogging Molly and Dropkick Murphys. Mad Sea Otter, I feel like could be another one within this community of bands, right? I feel like it could be. I feel. Anyways, they make awesome music videos. P-Train, thank you very much. I actually went through like a whole Irish thing, Irish Storm, Gaelic Storm. Okay, big fan of Gaelic Storm for a while. Yeah, heavy into the Gaelic Storm. Okay, for the boys, of course. Gaelic Storm, right? You know what I'm talking about? Like I was getting into some just getting down on the fiddle, right? You know what I mean? I was getting in on it. Hey, Brian, I have an interview in an hour, and they said they just want to browse. They just want to browse a project I work on and discuss the code I wrote. Ooh, this is tough. I just want to ask, should I criticize my own code? Yeah, absolutely. Garlic Storm, that's a very different thing. A question on your headphones. Do you use them with an app? No, I just go straight into Linux. Wow, I'm not even sure what that means. Rodrigo! Thank you very much. I appreciate the 11 months tier 1. Hey, Ski OG has so many dicked units. This is the most dicked unit chat of all time. Joe Bidet. Hey, Prime. Do you live close to Mount Rushmore? I sure do. I already said thank you. Hey, Markin, thank you for the 1 community sub. Hurt Tracketeer, thank you for the resubscribe with the Twitch Prime. Matt Prime for the Prime, coming in with the Twitch Prime. 17 months, which is out of control. Maybe the second most subscribed person yet. Thank you very much for that. And Thomas Devark, thank you for the brand new Twitch Prime. Let's go. But real talk, this was awesome today. I'm dumb. Really enjoyed the streams. Hey, thank you. This was a great day. I feel like we got a lot done. And I feel like I actually understand Zig better. Like, I'm moving with Zig. Like, I'm moving. I'm actually doing something with Zig. Like, I actually feel like I'm getting it a little bit. Okay, I can read, because one thing when I saw this felt very confusing, right? The first time you see that syntax, you're like, why is there a bang in the syntax? Why are we banging void, right? The try-catch thing was a little bit confusing. You know what I mean? How do you feel about Zig now and then? I'm feeling better. Let's implement Saturday in Zig. Why is that big there? Hey, good luck, Zig. Thank you. I propose we rename the phrase artificial general intelligence to truly intelligent system. I think AGI would be offended calling itself artificial. Okay, Chad Chippity. How do you describe Zig compared to Unsafe Rust? They're not the same. It's just like a totally bad characterization. Now that I'm more used to it, it's a totally bad characterization. Okay, I'm actually 5 minutes late to a meeting, so I got to get the hell out of here. We've done Justine. We haven't done... Okay, boom.
Welcome to
study
Costco.
time. I do like study time. I do like study time. Study time is a great person. So I'm gonna rate study time. Sorry, my boss I'm not supposed to have a meeting today. I was supposed to go for 3 hours today, and now I can't. So I'm very disappointed. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the 3-hour stream. It's gonna be great. But today I couldn't do the 3-hour stream. Very sad. Okay, sad. I gotta go though.